Many people try to be kind all the time. They say yes even when they feel tired or stressed. They help others even when they have no energy left. At first, this looks generous. But after some time, they start to feel sad, confused, or even angry. One big reason is that they do not have clear boundaries. Boundaries are simple rules that help you protect your time, your energy, and your emotional space. They are not about pushing people away. They are about taking care of yourself in a healthy way. A boundary is a limit that shows what is okay for you and what is not okay. It can be about time, personal space, emotions, work, or communication. For example, a time boundary can be, I don't answer work messages after 8 p.m. A personal space boundary can be, please ask before using my things. An emotional boundary can be, I want to listen to you, but I cannot talk about this topic right now. These limits help you stay balanced. When you have clear boundaries, you understand yourself better, and other people understand you better too. However, setting boundaries is often difficult. Many people are afraid that others will be angry, disappointed, or think they are rude. Some people also learn from childhood that saying no is wrong. Others feel that they must always be polite and helpful, even when they feel uncomfortable. Because of this, many adults continue to say yes even when they want to say no. They try to please everyone, and in the end, they feel tired and unhappy. Learning to set boundaries takes time and practice. It is like learning a new skill. At first, it feels strange, but it becomes easier with experience. One big benefit of boundaries is better emotional health. When you say yes too often, you do not have enough time for rest, hobbies, or quiet moments. You may feel stressed because you are always thinking about other people's problems or requests. You may feel angry because you never have enough time for yourself. Boundaries help you avoid this problem. When you say no to things that are not good for you, you protect your emotional energy. You also teach yourself that your feelings and needs are important. This makes you feel calmer and more confident. Boundaries also help you manage your time more effectively. Time is limited, and you cannot do everything. Many people waste time because they agree to things they do not want to do. They join activities that do not matter to them. They help others with tasks that are not their responsibility. After many days or weeks like this, they feel exhausted and lose motivation for their own goals. With boundaries, you can choose how to spend your time. You can say, I can help you later, but not now. Or, I cannot join this meeting because I need to finish my own work. These simple sentences help you focus on what truly matters. Another benefit of boundaries is healthier relationships. Some people think boundaries make relationships weaker, but this is not true. In fact, boundaries make relationships stronger because they create honesty. When you communicate your limits clearly, other people know what you need. They can understand how to treat you with respect. For example, if you tell a friend, I need some quiet time this weekend, a good friend will understand. They will not take it personally. If someone becomes angry every time you set a boundary, it may show that they only feel comfortable when you have no limits. Boundaries help you see which relationships are healthy and which ones are not. If you want to start setting boundaries, you can begin with simple steps. First, notice your feelings. When someone asks you for something, do you feel calm or do you feel stressed? Do you feel excited or do you feel heavy inside? These feelings are signals. They tell you if a boundary is needed. Second, Practice saying no in a clear and respectful way. For example, I can't help you today, or I don't feel comfortable with that. You do not need long explanations. A short, polite sentence is enough. Third, stay firm. Some people may try to change your mind. They may say things like, "It's just one time," or "You used to help me before." You can repeat your boundary with calm energy. "I understand, but I still can't do it." It is also important to prepare yourself for some resistance. When you change your behavior, other people may feel surprised. They may need time to get used to the new you. For example, if you always answered messages immediately in the past and now you take longer, some people may ask why. You can simply say, "I am trying to manage my time better." Over time, people will learn to respect your limits. You do not need to feel guilty. Guilt is normal when you start setting boundaries, but it does not mean you are doing something wrong. It only means you are learning a new habit. In today's world, digital boundaries are also important. Technology makes it easy to stay connected all the time. But if you never disconnect, your mind cannot rest. You may feel pressure to answer messages late at night or respond to emails on weekends. This can lead to stress and burnout. Setting digital boundaries can help. For example, you can decide to turn off notifications during meals or after a certain time at night. You can also limit your screen time for social media. These small changes can make a big difference in your mental health. Another effect of clear boundaries is increased self-respect. When you protect your time and energy, you show yourself that you matter. You send yourself the message that your needs are as important as anyone else's needs. This helps you build confidence. It also helps you develop a stronger sense of identity. You start to know what you like, what you dislike, and what kind of life you want. You learn to make decisions that support your values instead of decisions that only make others happy. Setting boundaries also improves your focus. When you stop saying yes to everything, your mind becomes clearer. You can pay attention to your goals and make progress more easily. Without boundaries, your attention is always jumping from one thing to another. You feel busy but not productive. With boundaries, you create space for activities that support your personal growth. You can use your time to study, rest, exercise, or work on something meaningful. Of course, boundary setting is not perfect. Sometimes you will make mistakes. You may say yes when you want to say no. You may react too strongly because you feel stressed. This is normal. You do not need to be perfect. You only need to keep learning. After each situation, you can think about what happened. Ask yourself, what made me uncomfortable? What could I say next time? This reflection helps you develop stronger boundaries over time. In the end, setting clear boundaries is one of the most important skills for a healthy and happy life. Boundaries help you protect your emotional health, your time, your energy, and your relationships. They also help you understand yourself better. Saying no does not make you unkind. It makes you honest. It gives you space to live your life with purpose and calmness. When you learn to set clear boundaries, you create a life that feels more balanced and more true to who you really are.